Agriculture Department hands over winter crop seeds under compensatory crop plan Rabi 2019 to relevant district agriculture officers. And RIMS Casualty Emergency Service ceases operation temporarily following scuffles over alleged doctor's failure to give timely treatment to one severely injured person. Kurumjuri, good afternoon. You're watching Thursday Afternoons with me. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you our top stories this afternoon. The Agriculture Department handed over crop seeds under compensatory crop Rabi plan 2019 to respective district agriculture officers today. Agriculture Director Lathanpui Wangchong handed 6 varieties of crop seeds including over peas, mustard, wheat and maize to all district agriculture officers at the department's godown in Lampalpat. Speaking on the occasion, Director Lathanpui Wangchong stated that the government has approved the State Agriculture Minister's proposal for a compensatory crop Rabi plan 2019 prepared by the department to help drought-affected farmers of the state. He stated that 1,579 hectares of the agricultural lands will be covered by the plan. Lathanpui Wangchong said that only 50% seeds under the plan were distributed today and the remaining seeds will reach Imphal on November 9. Director Lathanpui handed over soil testing fertilizers recommendation equipments to relevant DAO of Bishnupur district on the occasion. He urged farmers of the state to avail the facilities of soil testing fertilizers recommendation available in every district and appealed to use only appropriate amount of fertilizers. Deputy Director Soil Chemistry N. Gozendro and top officials of the Agriculture Department attended the event.
Ngasi hodokpo oina ekhoi diyo mayamda district ta asi yenthokpani aduga hujik mathang lakpa da dum mathang yenthokini farmer mayamda appeal tawningbadi asisi phajana thabiro asina loina cover tawba ngamde so at least awabadu khara koknaba haraga ekhoi department rom dagi sarkar dagi ekhoi plan semraga adu tawjabani aduga ekhoi drought ki lakpa sida Moi interministerial team su as far as drought is concerned moi su yam they acknowledge and they are already convinced that it is indeed drought and due to scarcity of water handaki karira pedi ki produce hantharani habasi moi su convince oire duga somdagi su relief and disaster site taki su moi na soidana central government na hujiki as per guidelines moi phangpham thokpa paisa khangde input ki khangde adugi di lakani haina adudi thajaba leye.
RIMS Casualty Emergency Service ceased operation temporarily following scuffles over doctors' alleged failure to give a timely treatment to one severely injured person yesterday. The incident occurred last night at around 10:30 p.m. Impact News sources said one road mishap victim's Joy from Nacho of Bishnupur district was admitted to RIMS hospital last night at around 9:30 p.m. However, due to unavailability of doctors, the injured patient was delayed treatment for over 1 hour. Heated confrontation eventually broke out between patient party and doctors. Casualty medical officer CMO, who was on night shift at the hospital, even closed the RIMS emergency ticket counter without any permission from the RIMS authority. Medical interns and PG doctors who were on duty or at the hospital were asked to halt their works. Speaking to media, people who came to the hospital for treatment criticized the night shift doctors for failing to perform their duties. Condemning the CMO concern for closing the counter and causing inconvenience to patients, they urged the authorities concerned to take stern action against them.
Lambis da yam thajadane accident amaka koi mamang na thoe patient ji akoi athu matam da hospital gi casualty da koi uraga lae RIMS da patient sumaina lae yaraga di mi kitang mateng pangbiyo ha matam da leiba security singna akoi da hai ki hoji hospital da patient changba yade athu matam da stretcher puraga I gari dui manak ta chatle aduga sara ma khak lae moi gi security gi aduga ingon da hai matam da jenims ta pu na hai kai maram gi no jenims ta pu hai je guard mana haibam thokpra natraga doctor na haibam thokpra sigi wahang jai hangjaningi hospital da leiba guard sing da moina haibam thokte maram di kai no moi guard ne sida mayam ji चेक्शन थौरांग लौनबगीदमक्ता लैबा गार्डनी अदुगा अनाबा लाक्पसिंगजिजु मोइना हराव हरावना रिसीव तौबम थोए अनाबजे अहामदा फेसिलिटी जे मोइगी अहामने अनाबा लाक्पुदुदे ए कुमाइ तोइनो खोलिनो मोइना हंगागा ए सुमाइ तोइ खोले अदुइ तादि नोइ मपा लेरमो अखोइ अनाबजे मनुंग पुसन यारगा मोइना तौबम थोकपने तौदबीदा जेनिम्स चलो हाइरेजिगी मरमजी कुमाइ तौबनो हॉस्पिटल दा लैबा गार्ड सिंगजिगी मोइगी रूल सिना करम मोंगदा सेमदोगा कुमाइ तौरगा मोइना अखोइजी जेनिम्स चलोना हाइबा ngамमिनो मसी अखोइगी लैरिबा अचौ असांगसिंग अदगी मरी लैनबसिंग हॉस्पिटल गी सिमियामजिना अमतंग येंजनबीबा थोकप्रा थोकतबरा सिदै खितंग खक इरांग तौरगना मा फाजलु अदु तौ अदा तौ सी मरमजी करिनो
जंगमदो जिति का पयारो इरांग ले खोले पेशेंट गा कनो सिक्योरिटी का खनै खोले ना डॉक्टर सि येंग ngमय ना टिकट कहंदे मि मंगा डिटेन तो थमे
Medical Superintendent MS of RIMS Hospital, CH Arun Kumar, immediately intervened and tried to sort out the situation. Medical Superintendent himself treated patients at decasualty upon failure to do so by PG doctors. Speaking to media, CH Arun Kumar stated that the incident occurred due to misunderstanding between doctors and patient party. He maintained that the hospital authority strongly disapproves the doctors' failure to maintain professional ethics.
CMO di koi naita matam da full power ni ko MS na hire no naita matam da CMO power lei na further problem le ga dum hayu kolu la na di togono dum hay ko instruction makha ta na dum illi aina sai hire gi bu da serious we patient tan jadu da di condition do ai samak da phur ga lei re hire ba casualty ni mi chi di ai di duty tar ga lei ri ben ai phu ga di atop di kamai na handle togoni tum adu so hay ba lan ga ni aina huji panjigi do kangdro hay ba di ai ama so ga lei bo tar ga di ai ama so ga lei bo tar ga di atop doctor su hay di kari problem la ka ni hay ba mo ju kange ba
प्रजा की दम तले बहुत साल नहीं अगर रिम्स लेरम दरबोटी कुछ लेरम मोय CMO सु लेरम मोय अखोई दी we are servant to the government hospital से 24/7 into 365 days हांग दना लेरी बनी मसे अखोई न थिंगन मंगम दे मसे दी हॉस्पिटल की मापू सिना थिंगन गदो बनी कोई ना एम्प्लॉय ना हॉस्पिटल से थिंगन बा यादे अखोई दी essential services and maintenance की मखादा कोई ची अवरी बनी पदना कोई न थिंगन बा हिसम दी मिन मादो रसु मसे मदी लाली टॉर्निंग दे हमसुंग तोगनो है ना हाई जो हाई करे अदा मतुंग जो टॉर्न बा आई सोय न होनगनी duties and responsibilities of the casualty medical officer towards the patient अखोई दी ethics वांग में चट पे यादे अदुगा हिपोक्रेटिक ओथ वासक्तना कोई ना डिग्री पाइ मतमदा कोकता हापगा खुत्ता थंगलगा वासइबनी मदो अखोई डॉक्टर सिना कौफदे.
A construction worker of Lokchau Bridge on Imphal More Road succumbed to injuries this afternoon after he was hit by a truck used for ferrying construction materials for the bridge. According to Impact News sources, the victim is 38 years old, Laishangthem Rishikanta, son of Mani from Singjumai Waikom Laikai in Imphal West. Boris Borua from Kolkata was driving the Tata trailer truck bearing registration number NL02Q3243. People carried out alert torch protest rally in various parts of Imphal city last night against disintegration of Manipur by the final outcome of Naga peace talks. Rallies were held at Kakwa, Singjumai, Kashamthong, Langjing and Tera in Imphal West district, at various places of Thawbal district including Wangjing. Manipur police personnel gave a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incidents during the protests. Chairman of Loktak Development Authority, LDA Kamakurai MLA S. Sindro presented football kits to the players of Kurai FC who will participate in the upcoming Sun Feast Under 13 Football Cup. Kurai FC will represent Manipur in the national level cup, which will kick off on November 11th. They will leave Imphal for Guwahati on November 9. Speaking on the occasion, MLA L. Susindro wished the players success. LDA Project Director L. Bhagaton, Kurai FC coach L. Romeo and manager S. Amba attended the event held on the theme Save Loktak at the MLA's residence in Kurai.
Sunfist Cup moina organize toba aduga national gi oina pangthokpa Guwahati da sanagadaba under 13 Manipur gi oina represent toroga charkadaba khoi Kurai FC adu masigi kanojais da khoi gi Loktak Development Authority na khoi magi sumba stake shoot ko makar sponsor tobuni and hoji hairiba players sing si under 13 se si soidna mai palak pa yabagi adumba amu ui aduga khoina stage sponsor tawjai sina karigino haira kanda asai ge Loktak kanji haiba adumba wakhalon da safe Loktak ana adumai toroga hoina ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 13ꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯇꯥꯡ 9ꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯋꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯋꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 13th season of Hero I-League 2019-20, which will kickstart on November 30th. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. 13th season of Hero I-League 2019-20, which will kickstart from November 30th. Aizawl will lock horns with Mohun Bagan in the first league match at Aizawl's Rajiv Gandhi Stadium at 2 p.m. While Gokulam Kerala FC will play against Neroka FC at Kozhikode's EMC Corporation Stadium at 7 p.m. in the second league match the same day. 11 teams, namely Aizawl, Chennai City, Churchill Brothers, East Bengal, Gokulam Kerala, Indians Arrows, Punjab Mohun Bagan, Neroka FC, Real Kashmir and Trau are competing in this season, which will continue till April 2020. Indian football team head coach Iyer Stimag has included 4 players from Manipur in India's 26-member squad to play against Afghanistan and Oman in the upcoming FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 qualifiers. The players are Udanta Singh, Jackie Chan, Semiliang Dongal and Dhiraj Singh Moirangthem. Qualifiers matches will be played at Afghanistan's Tajikistan Dusbin Bay November 14 and at Oman's Muscat on November 19. Mumbai City FC will face Goa FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Mumbai Football Arena tonight at 7:30 p.m. In yesterday's league match at Gandhi Mohanna Chandra Balayogi Athletic Stadium in Hyderabad, Northeast United FC defeated Hyderabad FC by 1-0. The lone winning goal was netted by Maximiliano Barreiro at 86 minutes. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Agriculture Department hands over winter crop seeds under compensatory crop plan Rabi 2019 to relevant district agriculture officers. RIMS Casualty Emergency Service ceases operation temporarily following scuffles over alleged doctor's failure to give timely treatment to one severely injured person.